One missing pigeon eventually returned. Did you find out who it was? This one here. Has been out all night. And for those who didn't know, that's Blaze. That's the one that's bred me all my chicks. She tamed flight last night. She circled the house 5 times and she went high and she never come back. It's the first she's ever been out for August. Big Shadow, who's been missing it all night, straight up, having a look back in. But I had to go on my holiday run about the streets of my village and I found her on the roof with all the toonies. And I walked in my can, and I shook it, and I shook it, and I shook it, and I shouted. I must have looked like an idiot. Then I come home and I let the birds out, and she's came and joined the crew. So I'll let them all have fun, and hopefully she'll come in the night. Big Shadow doesn't even ken that she's back, and he comes up for his check and sees her. Oh my God. And Jenny, my wee speckled hen, I'm back to her being jealous. I really need to get her paired up with a coat fast and a box out the way. But there's Blaze, the middle of the rain's back. So everybody's together again, folks. No panicking. No panicking. Alright, you're up there staying beside her. Can you see it? See it? That is a white pigeon up there beside her. Come over and let's keep moving to it. It's not letting her go anywhere again.